In the last 6 months, this YouTube channel went from zero to over $100,000 in ad revenue. Their most popular video crossed 1 million views. The channel has never shown a single face on camera. No voiceover artist was hired. No editor was paid. Every single video was made using free AI tools that anyone can access right now. I reverse engineered this entire channel. The niche, the scripting process, the voiceover method, the editing workflow, everything. And in this video, I am going to walk you through every single step so you can build the exact same thing starting today. By the end of this video, you will have a complete system to launch your own Faceless YouTube channel and build it toward your first $10,000 a month. Everything I am about to show you is free. No paid tools, no courses, just the method. The niche I am going to show you how to build in is motivational and success mindset content. I chose this niche deliberately, and I want to explain exactly why, because understanding this will make every decision you make in the process smarter. First, the audience is massive and global. Everyone on earth wants to improve their life, achieve their goals, and feel motivated. You are not targeting a small group. You are targeting humanity. Second, this niche is evergreen. A video about discipline or achieving your goals does not expire. It can get views for years after you upload it. That means every video you make is a long-term asset, not a one-week piece of content. Third, the CPM is high. Advertisers in the personal development space pay more per 1,000 views than almost any other niche on YouTube. That means your ad revenue per view is higher than a gaming or entertainment channel with the same view count. And fourth, this content works perfectly as a faceless format. The video style used by the top channels in this niche is narration over cinematic AI-generated visuals. No face needed, no studio, no camera, just a compelling script, a realistic voice, and beautiful images. Before we get into the steps, hit that like button right now. This video is completely free. Liking it takes 2 seconds, and it helps me reach more creators who need this information. I appreciate every single one of you. All right, step 1, creating the channel. Head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right, then click switch account, then view all channels, then create a channel. For your channel name, we are going to use ChatGPT. Open a new chat and type this exact prompt. Suggest 10 YouTube channel names for a motivational and success mindset channel. The name should feel premium, trustworthy, and globally appealing. After ChatGPT generated, pick the one that resonates with you, something short, memorable, and easy to say out loud. Paste it into YouTube and hit create. Now back to ChatGPT for your channel description. Type this prompt. Write a YouTube channel description for a motivational channel called The Success Doctrine. The description should explain what the channel is about, who it is for, and what they will gain from subscribing. Keep it under 150 words. Copy this. Now go to your new YouTube channel, click on the Customize channel, and paste it on the description. For your profile picture, we are going to generate one using Leonardo AI back in ChatGPT. Type. Suggest a visual concept for a YouTube channel profile picture for a motivational channel. The character should feel wise, calm, and authoritative. Give me 5 different character ideas. Pick the character concept you like most, then ask ChatGPT. Now give me a detailed image generation prompt for this character that I can use in Leonardo AI. Make it cinematic, high detail, square format. Head over to Leonardo AI. It is completely free. Click on image generation, paste your prompt, change the number of images to 4, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, which is square, and hit generate. Pick the one you like most, upscale it, download it, and upload it to your YouTube channel profile. Step 2, and I want you to pay close attention here because this is the most important step in this entire process. The script. Everything else, the visuals, the voiceover, the editing, is just packaging. If the script is weak, the video gets no views, period. The first thing you need is a proven topic. Do not make up a topic from scratch. Instead, go to YouTube and search for motivational videos. Sort by view count. Look at the videos with over 500,000 views in the last 6 months. Those topics are proven. The audience already exists. For this tutorial, I am going to use the topic, How to Rewire Your Brain for Success. This topic has performed well on multiple channels and the demand is consistent. You can use the same topic to practice or choose your own from what you find on YouTube. Now, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I need you to write a 3 to 4 minute narration script for a faceless YouTube video titled, How to Rewire Your Brain for Success. The tone should be like a wise monk speaking directly to the viewer. Conversational, calm, and deeply motivating. Open with a powerful story or metaphor in the first 30 seconds. Do not use bullet points. Write in paragraphs. The script should feel like the viewer is having a personal conversation with a mentor who genuinely cares about their growth. I have put all the prompts I use in a Google Doc, which is linked in the description. Go grab that before you start because it will save you a lot of time. Every prompt in this video is in there, ready to copy and paste. One important thing about video length. In this niche, 3 to 4 minute videos consistently outperform long videos. Keep it under 5 minutes. The viewer retention on short, tightly written motivational videos is much higher, which tells the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Step 3. The voiceover. Head over to 11 Labs, completely free to sign up. Once you are in, go to the text-to-speech section. For this niche, you want a voice that sounds calm, warm, and authoritative, like someone who has seen a lot and is now sharing hard-earned wisdom. I recommend browsing the voice library and searching for terms like calm, deep, or narrator. Test a few and pick the one that feels right for your channel's character. Now here's a pro tip that makes a significant difference to the quality of your voiceover. Do not paste the entire script in at once. Copy and paste one paragraph at a time and generate each one separately. When you generate everything in one go, the AI voice loses its expression and begins to sound flat and robotic. Paragraph by paragraph keeps the tone varied, natural, and engaging. Generate each paragraph, download it, and number the files so they are easy to organize in your editor. File 1, File 2, File 3, and so on. This makes the editing step much faster. Step 4. Images. We need visuals that match the emotional tone of the narration. Cinematic, atmospheric. The kind of image that makes you stop scrolling. Go back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Read the script and generate one detailed image generation prompt for each paragraph. Each prompt should describe a cinematic, atmospheric scene that visually represents the emotional message of that paragraph. The style should be painterly and dramatic. No text in the images, no people's faces visible. You now have one image prompt for every paragraph in your script. Head to Grok AI, click on Image Generation. Before you paste your first prompt, change the dimensions to 16 by 9. That is the standard YouTube widescreen format. Now paste the first prompt and hit Generate. So, select the image that best matches the emotional feel of that paragraph. Upscale it for higher quality and download it. Then move to the next prompt. Do this for every paragraph in your script. You will end up with one strong cinematic image per paragraph. This is the step where everything changes. We are about to breathe life into these images. A static picture is good. An animated, moving version of that same picture is 10 times more powerful for holding viewer attention. Before we do that, if you have found value in this video so far, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. I post strategies like this regularly and every video is completely free. Now, head over to Grok AI, go to the image to video section and upload your first image. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Click Create. Grok will animate your image and generate a short video clip. It usually takes a couple of minutes. When your clip is ready, upscale it inside Grok for the highest quality output, then download it. Repeat this for every image and you will have a full set of animated cinematic clips ready to edit together. Step 6. Background music. This is quick. Go to pixabay.com and in the search bar type cinematic background music, or documentary background music. Everything on Pixabay is copyright free and safe to use on YouTube. Download the track that best matches the emotional tone of your script and calm, building, inspirational. Step 7. Editing. I use CapCut. It is free and it has everything you need for this style of video. Create a new project and import all your files, the numbered voiceover clips, the animated video clips, and your background music. Start with your voiceover. Drag all the numbered audio files into the timeline in order. Then drag your background music onto a separate track below. Stretch the music so it is as long as your full voiceover. Now, set your volume levels. Select all your voiceover files and set them to 100%. Set the background music to -15. The voiceover should always be clearly heard. The music is there to create atmosphere, not compete with the narration. Now, import your video clips and place them on the video track above the audio. Match each clip to the paragraph it was generated for. If a clip is shorter than the voiceover paragraph, use the duplicate and reverse trick. Copy the clip, paste it right after, then reverse the second copy. This doubles your footage without it looking like a repeat. Add transitions between clips. Go to Transitions and select the Mix or Overlay style. Apply to all clips. This creates a smooth cinematic flow between scenes instead of hard cuts. Now add captions. Go to Text. Click Auto Captions and let CapCut generate them automatically. Pick a clean template. Bold white text with a subtle background works best for this niche. Adjust font size so it is readable on a phone screen. Before you export, here is a pro tip that almost no one talks about. Rename your video file to match your video title exactly before you upload it to YouTube. Not a generic name like Video 1 or Project Final. The actual title of the video. For example, How to Rewire Your Brain for Success.mp4. This signals to YouTube's indexing system exactly what the content is about from the moment it is uploaded. Big channels do this consistently. It is a small detail that compounds over time. Now, upload your video in YouTube Studio. While it is processing, paste your video description from ChatGPT. I have a description prompt in the Google Doc linked in the description. Go grab it. Make sure to include your keywords naturally in the first 2 sentences of the description. Upload your thumbnail, set it to not made for kids. For tags, go to rapidtags.io, paste your video title, and copy all the suggested tags. Paste them into the YouTube tags field, then hit publish. That is the complete system. Channel setup, script, voiceover, images, animation, music, editing, upload, thumbnail, and monetization. Everything you need to launch your first Faceless YouTube channel starting today. Drop a comment below with the word starting if you are going to implement this. I read every single comment and I want to know how many of you are actually taking action on this. And if you want my complete prompt library for this niche, every ChatGPT prompt used in this video is in the Google Doc linked in the description. Go grab it, it is free.